good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Nanaji Vidyapeeth Standard 5. So students, today we'll start in a unit number 3rd, type of angle. Okay. Students, now think, what is the measure of angle CAB? What is that? So let's see. CAB. Okay. So this is the angle. This is a 180. See, count with me. Like, look at over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So, students, in that 180 degree, that's called 180 degree. Okay, so this is a straight angle. ये जो एंगल में आपको लाइनिंग दिख रहा है वो स्ट्रेट जा रहा है, करेक्ट. सो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट वी हैव टू से, दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट एंगल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, did you think about what is the measure of the angle CAB and angle DAC? See, angle CAD, either than DAC and DAB. What was the measure of that? So students, is it in the 90 degree? Which degree is that? 90 degree, and both are 90 degree. Angle DAB and angle DAC, both are 90 degree. So both are right angle. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Which angle is that? Right angle. Now students, can there be another angle apart from the 90 and 80? Now 90 degree and 180 degree, that we are knowing कि this angle is there, but apart from that, मतलब उसके अलावा भी कोई एंगल हमें हो सकते हैं. सो यस, एंगल EAB and angle FAB. Now see, EAB, FAB. So which angle is this? So students, look at over here. This angle is less than 90. Less than 90. See, in the first one, 10, 20 and 30, then 40, 50 and 60. So angle EAB is equal to 60 and angle FAB is equal to 30. Both angle measure less than 90. 90 से कम है, ठीक है. So if the angle is less than 90, at the time angle there are the acute angle. इसको हम कौन सा एंगल कहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? We have to say acute angle. Now this are acute angle. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? acute angle. And angles whose measure is less than 90 is called acute angle. जो 19 से कम है उसको हम कौन से एंगल कहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? acute angle. Now look at over here. What is the measure of the angle GAB? Angle GAB and angle HAB. GAB and HAB. So that's called. Now look at over here. This angle is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 110, 120. So angle GAB is equal to 120 degree. Then 30, 40, 50. And angle HAB is equal to 150 degree. HAB is equal to 150 degree. Both angle measure more than 90 but less than 180. Now first one में क्या था? 19 था, ठीक है, not more than 90. और यहाँ पे क्या है? मोर देन 90 बट लेस देन 180. 180 से कम है और 90 से ज़्यादा है. सो दैट्स कॉल, दिस आर द ऑब्क्यूट एंगल. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ऑब्क्यूट एंगल. और यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा था? व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न फॉर दैट? एंगल हुज मेजर लेस देन 90 इज कॉल्ड. 90 से जो कोई भी एंगल होगा, चाहे वो 30 हो, 35 हो, 25 हो, 20 हो, या फिर 49 या फिर 90, 89 क्यों ना हो, that angles called acute angle. But the angle more than 90 but but less than 180, so that called obtuse angle. Okay, जो 90 से ज़्यादा है और 180 से कम है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? obtuse angle. So students, angle EAB 0 degree and angle EAB 90 degree. So in greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that's called the angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. 90 degree से जो कम है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे students? acute angle. But the CAB is greater than 90 degree and less than CAB is less than 180. So an angle whose measure is more than 90 but less than 180. 90 से ज़्यादा है लेकिन 180 से कम है, that's called obtuse angle. Got students? Now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this definition in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you something new things. Okay students, now CRP 1 types of angle. So students, zero angle. What was a zero angle students? टू रे ओवरलैपिंग, जहाँ पे टू रे है वो ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल BC AC is overlapping to AB, so angle BAC is equal to 0 degree. So उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे students? Zero angle. Then right angle. So what was the right angle? Horizontal ray meet vertical ray. Horizontal ray है वो vertical ray से मैच होगी, ठीक है. So angle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. So उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? राइट एंगल. अगर कोई भी थिंग से वो 90 डिग्री पे आती है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? राइट एंगल. 0 डिग्री है, ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स जीरो एंगल. नाउ व्हाट वाज द स्ट्रेट एंगल? सो दैट मीन्स द टू रे फ्रॉम अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स, जिसके टू रे है लेकिन वर्टेक्स कैसे है? कॉमन है. गोइंग टू अपोजिट साइड डायरेक्शन टू फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. उसके लेकिन वर्टेक्स है वो सेम रहेंगे लेकिन उसका डायरेक्शन है वो अपोजिट रहेगा. vertex are same and directions are different, so that's called the straight angle. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? straight angle. Now see, x, y and y, z, so both are the vertex are same and sides are opposites, so angle x, y, z is equal to 180, that's called straight angle. Complete angle, that means the moving a ray complete a full circle. जो भी रे है वो completely full circle में convert हो जाएगा, that's called the complete angle. So angle BAC is a 360 degree, so इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? complete angle. Then the acute angle. What was the acute angle? Measure is the less than 90 डिग्री से जो भी एंगल्स कम हो गए उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? acute angle. Greater than 0 डिग्री से ज़्यादा और 90 डिग्री से कम, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? acute angle. So CAB greater than 0, okay, and CAB less than 90, so that's called the acute angle. Obtuse angle 180 से कम रहेगा लेकिन 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा रहेगा. So measure more than 90 and less than 180. 90 से ज़्यादा है और 180 डिग्री से कम है, that's called the obtuse angle. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree and angle PQR less than 180. Okay, so that's called the obtuse angle. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. and it is compulsory to write in your maths notebook, students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 11 will start now. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 11. Types of the angles. Different types of the angles are there. So standard and angles. So in the standard angles, 4 types are there: zero angle, right angle, straight angle and complete angle. What is a zero angle? When the two rays making the angles are overlapping, the angle is called a zero angle. ठीक है? So it's measure O zero angle. Now BC AC is overlapping AB, so angle CAB is equal to zero angle. Right angle. What is the right angle? When a horizontal ray meet a vertical ray to make an angle, it's called a right angle. It's measure 90 डिग्री. हॉरिजॉन्टल रे है वो वर्टिकल रे से मिलती है, ठीक है, तो उसको हम क्या करें बोलेंगे, व्हाट वी हैव टू से, वी हैव टू से राइट एंगल. एंगल पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. एंगल पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सेकेंड थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड वन, straight angle. When two rays going a complete opposite direction, two ray opposite direction में जाएगी and meet the vertex from a straight line, और vertex से वो straight line में मिलेगी, ठीक है, with no bend, मतलब कहीं से भी बैंड नहीं हो रहा होगा. इट्स कॉल्ड अ स्ट्रेट एंगल एंड इट इज़ अ 180 डिग्री. स्ट्रेट एंगल है वो कितने डिग्री का होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 180 डिग्री का. सो एंगल XYZ इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. देन कंप्लीट एंगल. व्हेन अ मूविंग अ रे कंप्लीट अ फुल सर्कल, फुल सर्कल में रे वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा एंड ओवरलैप विद द फिक्स रे, अगेन इट्स कॉल्ड द कंप्लीट एंगल. एंड ओवरलैपिंग हो जाएगा, सो इट्स कॉल्ड complete angle either than full angle, and its measure is 360 degree. Angle CAB is equal to 360 degree. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook, students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now types of the angles. So there is a 2 types of angles are there, acute angle and obtuse angle. What was the difference between? So an angles whose measure less than 90 degree, angles वो 90 degree से कम है, ठीक है, so it's called the acute angle. For example, angle CAB greater than 0 and angle CAB less than 90 degree. 0 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है और 90 डिग्री से कम है, सो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एक्यूट एंगल. व्हाट इज द ऑब्ट्यूट एंगल? सो एंड द एंगल हुज मेजर इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है लेकिन 180 डिग्री से कम है, इट्स कॉल्ड द ऑब्ट्यूट एंगल. ओके, जो एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है बट 180 डिग्री से कम है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ऑब्ट्यूट एंगल. एंगल पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री and angle PQR is equal to less than 180. So that's called the obtuse angle. Now students, I'll give you a half an minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. So students, now we'll start worksheet number 12. Classify each angle as a zero, acute, obtuse, right or straight. We have to already learn 4 types of angle: zero angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. So in that students, here is we are having some options, and those option is correct, we have to right click over there. So 49 degrees is there. So that one is which angle? Zero angle, straight angle, right angle, obtuse angle and acute angle. So if 49 degree, that means 90 degree से कम है, less than 90, लेकिन more than 0 degree. So that called the acute angle. 82 is there. 82 is the acute angle students. 180, that means the angle is the less than that overlapping, not overlapping but that direction is opposite side. उसके जो डायरेक्शन है वो कैसे हो गए? ऑपोजिट साइड, एंड वर्टेक्स आर सेम. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द 180 डिग्री इज देयर. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर स्ट्रेट एंगल. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? वी हैव टू से दिस स्ट्रेट एंगल. 125 डिग्री इज देयर. लेस देन 90 डिग्री इज देयर. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट एक्यूट एंगल. 120 less than 180 but more than 90 degrees there. 180, that means, so here we have to click over obtuse angle. 65 less than 90 degrees, so acute angle is there. Now students, I'll give you half an minute. You have to tick this in the page number 58, worksheet number 12. Then we'll start fourth one question. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Now see, measure each angle and classify is as a acute, obtuse, straight or right. So students, angle DEF is a 60. So acute angle is there. GHI, that is a 150 degrees there. So obtuse angle. Angle JKL is the 35 degrees. So acute angle is there students. M and O, right angle students, because of the 90 degree, and PQR is a straight angle because of that ray is opposite sides. So 180 degrees the straight angle is there. Then this is the angle STU is the acute angle because of the 20 degrees there. Now students, I'll give you a half an minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to write the worksheet number 11 and 12 in your maths notebook and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.